And we are on day 6 of this core movement challenge. Today we're gonna be doing front racked marches. Another movement that you're probably like, how does this have anything to do with my core? But it does. By doing this front rack position, you will have to hold your core super, super tight, stand up nice and tall, and add movements with your legs. So really, really challenging that core stability here. So for today's challenge, this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be taking these weights, and no excuses if you don't have weights, by the way. You can use water jugs, you can use a heavy backpack. There's a lot of things you can get creative with while doing this. So grab your weights, okay? You wanna see if you can use a challenging weight when you do this. You're gonna bring them up to your shoulders. You're gonna lock your lat out, okay? So bring your elbows down, chest up nice and tall, and you're literally just gonna march in place, keeping that chest up nice and tall. Today you're gonna do 1 minute with the marches. You'll put the weights down, shake it out, rest for 1 full minute, repeat again, and then repeat again. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel this way more than you ever thought. What's also really cool about the front rack marches is you can do a couple of different fun things with them, right? You can actually do a single arm front racked march, which is gonna make you really challenge your core because you're gonna be a little bit like unstable here, right? So you're gonna have to really force yourself to stay up. So you can actually do a single weighted one. You can even take 2 different size weights and put them in your hands and alternate. This is again gonna challenge your core because your body's gonna wanna tip over, right? But you're forcing yourself to stay up nice and tall. So super cool about these front rack marches. So again, 1 minute of the front rack marches, and then 1 minute break. You're repeating it actually 4 times in total. Super fun, okay? Make sure that you post in Instagram, tag at Angela_Gagano, tag at strongfeelsgood_ for a chance to win a Strong Feels Good hoodie. And don't forget, my 30-day core revolution program is starting on April 3rd. We're gonna be going through 30 days of core, progressing every single day, okay? You're gonna have lifetime access to this program. You can add it on to anything that you're doing right now. And we've added nutrition coaches, which are gonna come on weekly to give you everything that you need to know in order to get your nutrition stuff and your goals, in order to get your nutrition goals in line for whatever you are trying to accomplish. So don't forget to sign up. There's also prizes, all sorts of stuff. But do your front rack marches, and I'll see you soon.